Hey guys, what's up? And today we are going to be doing cleaning out my whole time fidget collection. So let's get on to it. And you guys are here. So you guys can see. Oh, whoa, no. No, don't worry. You're gonna stay. You're gonna stay. Okay, so this is the bin. We're putting all the fidgets. So let's get started. First, we're gonna put all my poppets away. So I have my poppets. Just putting all my poppets away. This one I roll up, so fit in here because it's so big. Next is my squishies. Put on the other side. You guys can't see me doing this, but right there. The next thing are all my Play-Dohs and squishies. And last but not least are all my random fidgets. Okay, wait. I forgot one. My mochi. So that was me putting away all my fidgets, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye. Mwah.